In the ever-evolving landscape of the Internet, a curious conversation unfolds between two pillars of the digital world: cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. It's a dialogue that's both lighthearted and enlightening, revealing the symbiotic relationship between these two forces. Cybersecurity says to AI, "So what have you done for me lately?" The world of cybersecurity is a battleground, constantly under siege by threats. It's a field that never sleeps, always on high alert. So it's only natural for cybersecurity to turn to its ally, AI, and ask, "So what have you done for me lately?" AI responds with a wink and a smile. "Well, I've been busy keeping your digital life secure, scanning for threats so you can surf net pure. Encrypt your data, keep your passwords tight, fight off the hackers day and night. I'm the silent guardian in the cyber fray, learning new tricks to keep the baddies at bay. From phishing scams to malware that's sneaky. I'm on the job, so don't worry, I've got your back. Truly geeky." The role of AI in cybersecurity. AI isn't just a tool. It's a dynamic partner in the fight against cybercrime. With its ability to process vast amounts of data at lightning speeds, AI has become the backbone of modern cybersecurity strategies. It's the watchful eye that never blinks, the silent protector that never rests. Machine learning, the brain behind the brawn. At the heart of AI's capabilities lies machine learning, the ability to learn and adapt without explicit programming. This is crucial in a domain where threats evolve daily. Machine learning algorithms analyze patterns, detect anomalies, and predict potential breaches before they happen. The shield against phishing and malware. Phishing and malware are the tricksters of the cyber world, constantly changing their disguises. AI steps in as the detective, uncovering these threats with precision. By examining email patterns and web behavior, AI can sniff out the fishy from the genuine, protecting users from deceitful attacks. Encryption and password protection. The invisible armor. Encryption is the invisible armor that AI crafts around our data. It's a complex weave of algorithms that only AI can stitch together efficiently. And when it comes to passwords, AI is the gatekeeper, ensuring they're robust and rotated regularly, keeping unauthorized access at bay. Continuously learning, the path to cyber immunity. The beauty of AI in cybersecurity is its continuous learning. As cybercriminals innovate, so does AI. It's a race where AI is both the sprinter and the marathon runner, swiftly responding to immediate threats while enduringly fortifying defenses for the long haul. The future, a partnership set to thrive. As we look to the future, the partnership between cybersecurity and AI is set to thrive. With advancements in AI technology, the potential for even more robust cybersecurity is on the horizon. It's a collaboration that promises a safer digital tomorrow. Conclusion: a witty banter with a serious undertone. The playful banter between cybersecurity and AI might bring a smile, but it carries a serious undertone. It's a reminder that in the digital age, our security is only as strong as the technology we entrust to protect it. And with AI by our side, we can navigate the cyber seas with confidence. This information aims to entertain as well as inform readers about the critical role AI plays in cybersecurity. It's a testament to how AI has become an indispensable ally in our quest to keep the digital world safe. Safe, stay secure, and keep that AI helper in your life busy and productive. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.